get familiar. So if you don't know by now, then you should probably get familiar.
Hey guys, what's up? This is Amir and you're watching AK Tectonic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install a Paperlike screen guard on your iPad. With this, you get two Paperlike screen guard for your iPad and various installation tools like a guide sticker, dust absorber, wet wipes and a dry cloth. Paperlike V2 is best for iPad and it is called a Paperlike because it feels like paper when you write with Apple Pencil. It is priced around 34 euros and link for this is given in the description. Also, the land dots effect eliminate rainbow effects, thus keeping the display quality brilliant. Paperlike has a two sides on it, one sticky side and another one is a Paperlike side. So keep the sticky side on your iPad and Paperlike side on the top as I am doing here. Now these are the guide stickers and with the help of these you can align your protector perfectly on your iPad. Stick these guide stickers to the left side of your screen guard on the top, bottom and at the center. Once your screen guard is perfectly aligned on the iPad, stick these stickers to the table. Once you stick these stickers to the table, slide your iPad to the left side and the stickers will be stick to your iPad. Once this is done, turn your screen guard and clean your screen with a wet wipe and then dry it with a dry cloth. After that, use a dust absorber and observe the dust on your screen with the help of it. Once this is done, peel off the sticky side sticker and just apply the screen guard on your iPad. And that's done friends, it's pretty easy. Lastly, eliminate the air bubbles using any card and peel off the Paperlike side sticker. The Paperlike screen guard is installed successfully on your iPad. I never like the feeling of drawing directly onto the glass, and after installation of this screen guard it becomes very comfortable and I didn't mind that it was a bit pricey at first glance. The only drawback is that it adds a noise to the screen, but I quickly got used to it. Although I use it for drawing on daily basis and it adds a big plus to that feeling. That's all in this video guys. Thanks for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel Ipad Paperlike. Thanks for watching. See you.